Hey there, YouTube. Happy Sunday afternoon to everybody. I came out here a little later than I wanted, but I'm still here. It's around 4 o'clock, I guess. Got the Edge 540 with the new flapperons, and we got E3. Obviously, we're going to take up the Edge first. I just changed the attitude trim in the forward programming because I looked at the transmitter and I know that I gave it quite a bit of a down trim in the elevator. So I changed it one notch for safe select. For some reason, I felt like last time we flew it that I had to give it a lot of down trim to get it to fly level. So I just made an adjustment in the forward programming, and we'll see if that makes a difference or not. Right now, I'm trying to see if we can get the tail up level, and then we'll turn on safe select to see if the elevator is level. So that's fairly level flight. Safe is off right now. And when I turn safe on, hopefully the elevator won't move. And it doesn't look like it's moving. So safe is off again. I'm gonna pick the nose up. Now if I turn safe on, the elevator is gonna move drastically because it's gonna want to level out the plane. And right now it's in a dive, so elevator is gonna want to go up when you turn safe on. So, and it does. So then I'm bringing the plane almost down level, turn safe on. I hear the elevator moving just a little bit. Now it's gonna want to bring the nose back down because its tail's low. So right there, I feel like it's pretty level flight. Look at it again. That's close to level. Safe on, safe off, safe on, safe off. And the elevator does not move. So we'll try that setting right there. Get the old lid on it. Make sure it's in all the way. It's got these little plastic pins here that need to plug into under the cowl right there. One time I didn't have them. I guess I messed up and didn't have it lined up just right or something. I started flying and the canopy came off, and it was hanging on by the screws up here on my bush fix. So the canopy was like standing straight up like a big air brake. And it was so hard to control. And I ended up getting it down to the ground, but it was so bad to control that I almost, I felt like it was a lost cause. So I almost just went out in that tall grass and just let it fall. But I kept fighting it, and I got it down on the runway here. I figured that it falling in the tall grass would be better for it than hitting the hard asphalt. So let's get her out here. All right, we got our Edge 540 out here. Throttle cut off. We're going to taxi it around a little bit. And I want to do one thing that I haven't done, and I'm going to calibrate the ESC, because I just had to give it, almost 50% throttle before it started moving. So I need to take the hatch off again. Bummer, I have to do it this way. And I've looked into gluing in another latch that went right here, but it just looks like it's going to be pretty dang tough to do that. All right, so battery's unplugged, and throttle cut is off. Turn the transmitter off. Now I'm turning the transmitter on, and I'm going to give it full throttle when I power it up. Look at my screen here. Yep, full power. I'll plug it up. Wait till it makes a couple beeps. Those two beeps right there, and then you pull it down to no throttle. And then that has calibrated the ESC with my transmitter. So that was the ESC saying, talking to the transmitter saying, hey, I know where full throttle is. So the speed control knows where full throttle is now on the transmitter. So when I give it some throttle this time, maybe it won't have to go to like 50% before it started moving. All right, throttle cuts off. It was about the same. So let's check our flaperons here. There's one set of flaperons and two sets of flaperons, and then no set of flaperon. We'll do mid rates on everything. Get over here where the sun's not in my face. There's 0 wind. No wind at all. So that's good. All right, let's see how it's doing again here. Get to my get the sun out of both of our eyes. So it's still nosing down a little. I just turned the safe off real quick and it was the same. So now I need to trim it the other way, and I need to nose up it. 126 Fahrenheit. I turned safe off and then I trimmed it up a little bit. Oh, wasn't able to wait the 3 seconds. It's all right, we'll get it on the next couple passes here. Let's get on up. 7 volts, 17 amps, 100. That seems to be a little better. Fahrenheit. See, it's flying level now. Almost level. Awfully hazy today. I wonder if that's smoke from some kind of. Oh man, I thought we were gonna hit that bird. Wonder if that was from any of the wildfires or something. 15.7 volts, 13 amps, 133 Fahrenheit. Flying good. Try our flaperons. I just did a one set of the flaperons. 131 Fahrenheit. I have the gains adjustable for the AS3X and for the safe. The safe is on the safe gain is on the knob, and the AS3X is on the slider on my back right finger. The throttle cut is on the slider on my left index finger. We need to see what the power is. I keep talking through the girl telling us how much juice.
15.6 volts.
15.6.
129 Fahrenheit. .5 volts, 10 amps, 129 Fahrenheit.
I think I was able to trim it right there in the 3-second rule.
15.4 volts, 9 amps, 131 Fahrenheit.
All right, we need to start thinking about landing.
.5 volts, 5 amps, 127 Fahrenheit.
I just turned on the one setting of flaperons, which is not much. I forget what it was, just a 14% or something like that.
.3 volts, 9 amps, 133 Fahrenheit.
Oh, I should have landed that, but all right, we're going to catch it this time because we're running out of juice. And the reverse saved it. All right, so getting better. Practice makes perfectos. Let's see what kind of telemetry nonsense we got going here. No, it's not nonsense, it's good stuff. We went a minute 21 over, whatever the timer was, I forget. 17 fades. The ESC minimum and maximums was I started at 17 volts. The lowest it ever got was 14.5 volts. It still currently has 15.5, so there's still a good bit of juice left in it. Let's see what the timer was. I forget, because we can add 121 to it now. Got to find it. That timer. So I had it set for 440.
15.6 volts, 0 amps.
So we'll set it for 550. Could have set it to 6, but all right. So we'll get another pack. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.